Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna walking through how to fix Messenger story not showing. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So first of all, click on your profile icon and scroll down. Click on hide story from and make sure all this unselected. And if you're still not able to see story, then open your phone settings and scroll down. And then click on additional settings, storage, and now click on Messenger. And from here you have to click on clear data, and after that hope your problem will fix. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. Thanks for watching this video.